This video will show you how to input the correct serial numbers in the Cell Booster portal, which is the first step in registering your 5G Cell Booster Pro. For the web-based portal, serial numbers need to be manually inputted. Likewise, even if you use the mobile app portal, you may prefer to manually input the serial numbers instead of scanning the QR code. When looking at the bottom of a Cell Booster Pro, you'll notice that there are two serial number stickers. This is because your 5G Cell Booster Pro has both a 5G and 4G radio inside of it, and each has its own serial number. The 5G serial number is preceded by a label that begins SN5. Likewise, the 4G serial number starts with SN4. Fortunately, because the two serial numbers are linked, you only need to enter one serial number to have them appear. So once you've logged into the portal and clicked Set up an AT&T Cell Booster Pro, enter the 4G serial number into the 4G field, and the corresponding 5G serial number will automatically populate. From here, just fill out the remaining fields, and your device will soon be registered. If you need any help setting up your device or troubleshooting issues, call our technical support team at 877-996-7017. And thank you for being an AT&T customer.